It's a video of a Johnford bridge type machining center, DMC-3000-1500-800, 3,000 millimeters in X, 1,500 millimeters cross travel Y, 800 millimeters in Z. Cat 50 taper, 40 position tool changer, Fanuc 18M, CNC control. Top speed is 4,500 RPM. Cooling through the spindle. Machine was built in December of 1998 and installed in 1999. It's loud in here, but the operator's going to run it through one of its programs for me. And then I'll take a look around the machine for you. Table size is approximately 51 inch by 124 inches. Okay. Running it through a dry run through a program. Dual chip loggers with a chip conveyor on the outside. Help you have the tool, right? And there's two chip loggers, one in the front of the table and one in the back, feeding to a chip conveyor on the left side of the machine. Good enough. Yeah, that's good. The top RPM is what, 4,500? And the spindle drive motor and gearbox had been replaced how long ago?
About a year on the gearbox. No, the gearbox, the spindle has been about a year ago.
Okay.
The motor is about 9 months ago. Okay. The gearbox has been 2 years.
Okay, the gearbox is about a year?
No, gearbox has been a few years ago.
Okay. A few years on the gearbox.
Spindle has been about a year.
Spindle was redone about a year ago, and then the motor, drive motor, about 9 months ago. Okay. And you also said they had done some work on the tool changer, the cylinder.
Yeah. Well, the tool changer door.
The tool changer door. Okay.
All the stuff on that.
Okay. Okay, great. I'm just going to walk around with this, but thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Here's the control, the Plymouth 18M.
If it matters to you, the custom macro V is unlocked on this machine.
Okay. So it's okay. Okay, so that's good. Custom macro V is unlocked and active on the machine. It's a little hard to get a good view of it. Their machine is still in use. I'm going to take a walk around to give you a better idea. Back side of the machine. Control panel. Enclosure for the tool changer. Again, 40 position tool changer. 50 taper. Hydraulic unit. Tool changer arm. Rear discharge chip conveyor. Tight here, but hopefully give you an idea of the machine. Operator reports that it's holding good tolerance, and all the axes seem to move smoothly. Spindle's quiet. Operator says the machine is tight. They did adjust the gibs on the rail about 6 months ago, and they have no issues with the machine at the moment. Thank you.